Yesterday was a very auspicious day, Mokshada Ekadasi. We can see Lord Krishna is never negligent to the jivas in this world. Although the jivas in this world have turned away from him with a desire to enact their own activities independently, he kindly descends into this, even the world of darkness, and lights up the world with transcendental knowledge. He makes a way for liberating all the jivas from this world back home, back to Godhead. You can see, Prabhupada writes in one of his purports, there are thousands of books with thousands of lines written by thousands of writers. But none of these books have done any great good to the people of the world. They are only piling up in many shops. But the word of God that Krishna has spoken in the Bhagavad Gita 5,000 years ago, even after 5,000 years, this book is a book which is liberating all the suffering souls back to Godhead. And another interesting thing with Bhagavad Gita is it is relevant to all jivas in any part of the world. It is not pertinent to one group of souls in one particular part of the world. And one of the Sanskrit words that glorifies Krishna is Vavaduka, means one who can speak a vast amount of knowledge in a small capsule. One Bhagavad Gita has been commented by more than 800 or 900 writers, commentators. So many people have elaborated on the Bhagavad Gita, but Krishna could speak it so concisely, precisely. Kaviraj Goswami says, truth spoken concisely is eloquence, he says. So Lord Krishna is very eloquent in speaking the truth, in speaking a liberating truth, in speaking a truth that is true for all times, in all places, in all circumstances, beneficial to all the jivas. So, when we know that Lord has not only allowed us to go to this world to be independently acting, but He has also sent the transcendental knowledge. He personally comes. He also performs pastimes which are very attractive for us to either witness it personally or read it from the scriptures so that we can become captivated and then return back home, back to Godhead. So, just as He personally descends, Maya Mugdha Jivara Nagi Swata Krishna Jnana Atayeva Kripa Koila Krishna Veda Puran. Kripa Koila, it is said. Out of His compassion He has given the Vedas, Puranas, Bhagavad Gita, all these things. That is His kindness. Not only that, He says, Matchitta sarva durgani mat prasadat tarishyasi atachettam ahankaram ashtroshyasi vinangshasi, he says. He says that anyone who takes my shelter, I will be personally available to them and guide them through all the struggles and obstacles and challenges of life when they call my name, when they pray to me. Matchitta sarva durgani, he says, all difficulties you can easily overcome, Arjuna, because when you call me, I will be with you. And Krishna didn't just say that, He did that with Arjuna. In that ocean of Tivingalas, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna could cross over very smoothly by the company of Krishna. And that type of companionship of Krishna is available not only for Arjuna, for every jiva who is able to call the holy name, pray to the Lord for help, seek the Lord's shelter, and abide by the will of the Lord. So then for the jiva, the Lord is always available. Not that He was available 5,000 years ago. He is available right here and right now for those who chant the holy name and take His shelter. So Lord has come in this world as a holy name, as the holy Bhagavad Gita, so that we can immensely benefit ourselves and get out of this material tabernacle and return back to our pure, original spiritual position. So during this month, Gita Jayanti month, Srila Prabhupada very much desired that we reach out this Bhagavad Gita, transcendental knowledge, to as many people as possible. Because if we don't put this book in the hand of the conditioned souls, they are going to get the 800 other versions of Bhagavad Gita. and they are going to be bewildered, confused, and they are going to continue their cycle of birth and death. Because people are reading, if you go in the train, many intelligent people are reading many novels, many cinema magazines, many other books, or even the so-called spiritual books, which give a wrong interpretation of the sacred word of God. So our interest is to see that the right knowledge and the right direction, right guidance that we received in our life also reaches the other people who are otherwise being bewildered and misguided. So chanting the holy name in the morning to strengthen our convictions, to purify our mind is definitely important. And on the day we go out and reach out this word of Krishna to the jivas, and we please Srila Prabhupada and we please Krishna also. Krishna says that. Nachitasman manushyeshu kaschin me priyakrit tamaha, he says. Priyakrit, priyakrittara, priyakrittama. He says superlative. You become extremely dear to me if you can reach this knowledge to as many people as possible. Otherwise, the jivas are all absorbed in ignorance and they don't know where are they going. We got a direction, we should distribute the right direction to all. Harinam Prabhu ki, Srila Prabhupada Transcendental Book Distribution ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances and to all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like the sacred trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha ananta koti vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki Srila Prabhupada Transcendental Book Marathon ki